ARPGs are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, 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 and welcome back to another live stream. How's it going, everyone? Happy Thursday. Hope you're all doing well. One more day. One more day. And then it's Friday. We're almost there. Almost there. Guts, what? No. You said you're going to sleep. Why are you here? Guts? Why are you here? You sent me a message saying you're going to bed. Get some explaining to do, my good sir. Sleepy time, best time. So for 2 hours I woke up, Sag. What am I gonna do with you? Have you tried running into a wall and then just having your bed, like, run across your bed, hit the wall? It should knock you out for a good 8 hours, and then you should go, you'll fall right into the bed, and then, get a good night's sleep, hopefully. I mean, look, we're running out of options here. Maybe you start taking drastic measures. Do it like old cartoon style, like the old Looney Tunes cartoons. Maybe they had, they understood something. Got some dynamite or some a rake. So you just run across a rake, you footsteps on it, it just whacks you in the face, and then you just fall down perfectly back onto the bed. Old school Looney Tunes style. Maybe it'll work. Won't know until you try. Probably shouldn't try, but technically you won't know until you try. Anyway, it's Thursday. What happened today? I had way too many meetings today. I had way too many meetings. Even that's not medical advice. That's cartoon advice. I'm describing you how it works in cartoons. That ain't medical. Don't know. We're talking Looney Tunes here. I had way too many meetings today. So I didn't get much done. I mean, I got a decent amount done. I also got my decal switcher, as I'll call it, all set up. It's super simple. You know what I'm gonna do? God, I don't look forward to this, but I think I'm gonna have to record 3 videos over the weekend. Edit 2 videos over the weekend. Because I'm gonna do the devlog. Probably not gonna be a very long video, but still gonna do it. And then I want to make I need to record something for a collab. And that's gonna take like a couple hours, at least. And then I need to record. I want to record another video, another little tutorial about how to do like simple like decal switching. So you don't need to have like 20 materials of decals or like 20 textures of decals, stuff like that. I can send it to you. Show me your editing. If your editing, is as good or better than mine, then we can talk. Right? But that's that needs to happen. Yeah. As for like the decal thing, there's a decal, literally, just right here. Just a decal, simple decal. But I could just change the decal. Now I'm using a sprite sheet in this case. But I mean, imagine these were actually separate decals. And I can just swap between all of them. No blueprints. No custom primitive data, because decals don't support custom primitive data. Simple, single decal and single texture. And I think I'll make a tutorial on that for the weekend. Just a nice, very simple one for some people to know how to do this. It's probably pretty useful. Because at work, I need to set up like a bunch of decals where I have I have like numbers and letters, like just random ones, like, and there's a bunch of them, and basically they're all going to be decals. I'm not going to put them into the texture. There's no reason to. But I don't want to make like dozens of material instances. So I'm like, okay, what's the best way of doing this? Probably, because it doesn't need to be like super high res, basically a sprite sheet, effectively, and then just set it up and go to town. So that's the I think that's the plan. 3 videos. 2 videos going out the weekend. I'm going to... Okay, I'm going to try. It's going to be difficult, but I'm going to try to record the devlog tomorrow after the stream, to edit it for Saturday. So on Saturday, I can record this video for Sunday. And then I gotta record the other one on Sunday. Can I go to bed yet? God damn it. Deus Ex, great game. So that's my plan. That also clearly means, by the way, that obviously no Sunday stream still. Why do I have so much stuff to do? I haven't even cleaned my apartment yet. I wake up at 7 a.m. And then I learn Japanese until I start work. After work, I stream. After stream, I have like an hour and then I go to bed. That's my weekday. That's my weekday. I know, I'm way too lazy. I agree. I'm just the worst. I know. Just the absolute worst. Just don't sleep, forehead? No, see, unlike you, I love sleep. Sleepy time, best time. Yeah, sleepy time, best time. There's absolutely no way I'm not gonna sleep. In fact, I will nap on top of sleeping if I feel I need more sleep. Because sleepy time is the best. Okay. So. Sleep is not overrated. Sleep is the best. Trying to remember. Okay, so what do we have working and not have working? So this was working. And I cannot grab this and write, and then this happens. So we need to fix this, or this needs to go away. All of these bars, like, it needs to be selectable. Oh, also, wait, can I move after that? No. Wait, why did pressing escape? Okay. I can't press escape to close while on the cards. But I need to be... Why? So many questions. So many questions. Okay, let's see if we can figure out stuff. Why did this not work? Why does this not work? This removes deck builder. Oh, I see. This doesn't remove the okay. Can I get owner? No. I basically need a reference to the widget that creates it. That's really what I need. Can I add a new type, just widget? Have this be called owner. have this be exposed. Yeah, I can do remove from parent from it. So what I can theoretically do then is these. Okay. So here is all fine. So I need to do for each of these. So just do it again. Here. Set owner. Yeah, we can just do something else. And the owner is itself. Okay. So now you don't need these checks. You don't need all of this. Instead, we just remove the owner. And then that's fine. Now, problem with this is we just broke some stuff. So in the collection here, when we generate cards, here we have owner. And owner is self. And we also need to do this in the deck builder. By deck builder, I mean these two. This one. Right? Because here we generate available cards, and here it is. Game of ref. Get game reference. Pipe that through. Owner on this one needs to be the game mode reference, and then we need to get deck builder. That is the owner. That is what we want to remove. So now, if we come here, select a card, and go through. And I can press escape and exit out. Or if I select something and then press escape, I can still exit out. Excellent. So now those buttons work, and they'll work under any setup. Great. Okay. So now. So we need a new function to actually, why doesn't reset outline work? This will be false. It'll go here. Can I just do reset outline? That'll work. Not selected. I'm gonna connect it here just to test. No, for some reason this comes back. Why is this solid? So, okay, we can't use that one. Fine. Let's clear selection. clear selection is just going to do, you can just take this and do hidden on both of these bars. Selection. Is there anything else we actually need to do besides hiding those bars? I don't know. Let's find out. Why? Why do we get that? Why does that work? Is it doing this afterwards for some reason? And this is overwriting it? But it's not even doing one. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. I think I understand why. Problem's not here. Problem's here. Problem's here because here is false. That's why. So I could probably actually do the reset outline. Because the problem was we weren't resetting it when we didn't get the selection. I think. No, okay. Clear selection. Why is it there? Why? Wait, why does it come back? Bring these back. This is 2. This is 1. Yep. Okay. It does 2 and then 1 and then 2 again. Why does it do 2 again? That's the problem. It does 2 again. Okay, so what's the... So what we want to do is... Tell me, I want to know which way it goes here. True and then false. Okay. So when it goes false, it'll go here. It shouldn't go true. Wait, do I have... Wait, don't I have the... I don't. Why does it do a second? Hey, Collider, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Now did true. So why is why is selected true? Tell What can I do? Find. Oh, select as an input. Hold on. Where's it being used? Find my name. Here, and we do select outline false. Here, I specify false. Event select a card, unhovered, true. Deselect a card, unselected, selected, unselected. Here, a mouse up, selection. Ah. Here. This is what's doing it. This is what's doing it. So on mouse button up, I have it say, hey, make it selected. But that's fine. Why doesn't it stop? What? On mouse sleeve, I don't have. Wait, why don't I have reset outline? Nothing here. Is this the problem? Also, I guess I noticed this. I need to reorder the selection bars. To be here on top of it. Okay. Okay. So right, this is all working still. Come here. Showing. Get Y on mouse and a mouse sleeve. Yeah. But why is on mouse enter we're not? Again, this is one of those times where I'm questioning how it was working before. Again, this happens too often. How was I? Mouse button down. Drag and drop? No. How was I doing? Oh, I was doing unhovered here. Unhovered. That's what I was doing. It was on enter. It was on hover. As long as I'm not on preview mode, which is true. It's not a preview. So why doesn't this reset outline work? Why does it not work at all now? Wait, what did I do? How did I break this? Wait, I undid what I did before. No. Hold on a sec. Oh.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Hold on, I undid what I did, and why is it not working?
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
How? How did I manage that? We're hearing that soundbite way too much lately. Here, have another soundbite then. You might want to check your Discord notification. Why do I have that pop up when you do just a redeem of a TTS? I don't remember setting that up. Look at that. My past self works in mysterious ways. It does stuff and then it forgets. Just forgets. Sus. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, it's a little sussy, I know. Pain. Okay, let's do print string. Okay. It should go here. Why did it not print anything here? Why is unhover not working? Okay, let's do this. Okay. See, here it works, right? This is working. Even when I click on it, it's not registering hovering. What the shit? It's this, because this is still plugged in. Is that it? Am I using any revision current? Yeah, I get. No. I thought maybe it's because I still had this plugged in. But no. The hell did I do? Why is unhovered not working? Only difference here is its shop. Hold on. If I turn off shop, will it work? Well, that'll at least give me something to go up.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that
Hi,
progressively
May.
gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly, but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal asterisk, boop asterisk. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound asterisk, ding asterisk. Remember to run in a straight line and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, you're...
I'm Hi, May. Welcome in. How's it going? So the problem starts, happens with this shop. Is it this? Doing all right, doing all right. Trying to figure stuff out, why things don't work the way, you know, you expect them to work. No? Why? Hold on. What did the problem start when I put this above shop cost? No. Okay. So at least it wasn't that. Okay, May. Sure. Okay. That works. It stops working when it's in the... Hey, you want to understand this one? I don't know what I did. I don't know how it broke. I don't know what I do to fix it. Or why it's fixed now. And it's working how I'd want it to work. Entirely. Look, guys, just I don't understand, okay? I'm just gonna say it that way. I don't understand. Okay, I don't. I don't. Why does that stop that? Okay, what is the order of things in the outliner? Stop whether or not... Is it because it's visible? Not hit testable. If I do that and then move it back here... Is it because I had the one thing visible? This is working. Select on top. Working. Select on top. So apparently, it's the damn no hit testable thing. Okay. Well, we got it working. Yay. Now it's working exactly how I want it to. So, the next thing is for me not to lose my mind. I know it's a little too late for that, but we're gonna try to keep what's left. Okay? Next up is to let's put it inside of the level. Ooh, you know what we can do? What if we made the cost dynamic based the default cost dynamic based off of the amount of currency you get in that level? That's an interesting thought. So what I mean is, instead of having the cost or whatever it is be like, 100, we can be like, okay, you're gonna get 1,000 currency on this floor. So the default of a card will, let's say, be 2/3 of that. Right? So it'll be, 666. And then if the next floor is, next floor's cost is 1,500, then the price of the card by default will become 1,000. Right? So this will automatically scale the cost of the cards. Now, of course, if you took the original currency and the next floor, you'd be able to buy 2 cards on this floor already. Now, and then the cards right now, the 999, the current cost that I have, instead of being just the value of the card, can be a multiplier. So I can make it like, 1.2 time cost for this card because this card's very expensive. Or let's change the cost of this card to like, 0.9 to make it cheaper. Because maybe it's like a quite cheap card. And then we can then also be able to more easily scale each card. Yeah. And we can probably modify it by the floor. So we can give it a so we can create an array where every floor has its like percentage of cost of the total you get. So again, we can make the default be 0.66 or something like that, and then that will do it. I like that. I like that. Let's change that. Let's change the way that works. So it's here. The default here will be 1. Instead of card cost, it'll be card cost modifier. And instead of an integer, this has to be a float. Then here, we need a new array here. This is going to be our base card costs per dungeon level. And then on here, this needs to be not an integer array, it needs to be a float array. So I'll set it up to be 0.66. And then we can make it so a certain floor has more or less expensive cards. Yes. Okay. So then here, okay, here, in the set card info. Yeah, this card cost modifier, this is a little bit different now. So now, we're going to do a little bit of math here. Not too much math, don't worry. Okay, so we take the card cost modifier. That is going to multiply by the get game wide reference, get blood per dungeon level, get current dungeon level, and get base cost per dungeon level. Okay, we need more room. I need quite a few things here. Okay, so first of all, the blood per dungeon level, we need to get the one from the current dungeon level. Same thing with the cost. Okay. Then we multiply one by the other. And then we multiply that by the cost modifier. And that output becomes the current amount. So I think right now, if we look at blood per dungeon level, it is extremely high for the default level. It's way too high. So theoretically, that should already be noticeable. What's the problem here? Because here. Okay. So now if we grab this, come here, it's 0. Why is it 0? Why is it 0? Is it one of those where it's actually outputting an int and not a float? To float. And that's why it's it should be that should be fine. Yeah, let's see if it gets all the information properly. Yes, so got that. Is it getting this? Is the problem on the actual cards here? Oh, why is the card cost modifier 0 here? Well, there's the problem. Or multiply it by 0, but why is I made it 1 by default? But because it's in a freaking data table, it doesn't automatically update it. See, it's default here too. Oh no, it's not. Did I not make it 1? Never mind. I'm just stupid. And there we go. Now it's all one. Hello, Stormrun. I don't know if I said hi, but just in case, hello again. Hey, look at that! The cost is dynamically updating. So fantastic. We now have power to make every card more or less expensive, and say we get more or less XP per level. So I got a card again. That look cool. What do you mean? Yeah, this has been around for a while now. Yeah. I can't get these, but that's because they're too expensive. Let me okay. So the next thing I want is let's just quickly just change this to, let's say, the cost of this is going to be 100 for the first floor. 100 for the first floor means these should cost 66, and they do. Wonderful. I'm gonna move these a little bit down, I think. Okay. So I think the next thing we need to do is the next thing I want to do is add the bars, top and bottom probably, and we want to add have this currency and probably the meta progression, how much we currently just have in general. We can grab that from the collection. I want to grab basically this stuff here. So I want you and you. Grab you guys. Okay, so we are dealing with a canvas, not an overlay. Okay. Rather than overlay, we're going to do some cleanup right now. So let's do one of these. Get rid of this. Okay. You, we need to shrink a little bit down. A little more. Okay. So then we have this, and we can angle this one to the right. Okay. Looks good. Let's get them off of the top a little bit. Just, you know what? Let's do like 20 just in general. And then we can add just a little background here and here. And I think that'll be fine. Just, you know. So this one is the transparent background. This is top bar. And then we'll make this one fully visible. can't even. Why can't I see it? I can't see it because I didn't change the color. Okay, and then we can duplicate it and just do a bottom bar. And just snap to the bottom. Now it's not going to actually work yet, but numbers aren't accurate. But we got we got some more info here. We can add a little thing on top that for the title that we could change based on whether it's a shop or not. So let's add that in as well. Can you play video in a widget? I think so, because I think to play a video, you still need to go through a material, and you can put materials in widgets, so I think so. Because the thing to play a video, you have to go through a material. Kind of keeping the world with a video as a material. Yeah, well, you can just apply a material to a widget, so yes. You can absolutely do that. If you're talking about like scene capture 2D stuff, oh, absolutely. In fact, that's how I did it for my like when I first started learning how to do game dev stuff. That's what I did. I pull up like my very first video. Or no, second video. Dear God. So this guy, I don't know, do I show it? Me rotating him? Yeah. So me rotating him around is entirely basically using C Capture 2D. That's what I did. The game was actually not paused here. If the game was paused, you could not rotate him. I had to get around that where I needed to not pause, like use the actual game pause, but still effectively pause the game. And what I did was I set time dilation to 0. So effectively, the game was not moving, but the game was not paused. So animations can still play and things of that nature. Now, of course, that means everything's still running in the background, but that worked. Just realized Assassin's Creed Origins uses the same thing for the menu character. He's always in the same position as the world. He's always in the same position as the world. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so he's probably just using a scene capture type thing. I imagine that's how a lot of games do it. Or something like that. That's also like, right? Effectively, that's how Minecraft does it. Obviously, different because not Unreal. It's Java. Right? It's still capturing the player. So when you're like horizontal, it'll show your character horizontal. When you're big, it'll show your character big. Got some text.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
I was so tired, like starting the stream. And now that I'm here, working on this and having fun, less tired. It's amazing how when you do something you enjoy, it's not as tiring. Now, I'm absolutely gonna crash very soon, but it gives me a little bit of extra of that energy. You know the irony of this? People who aren't subbed probably have ads now, so they can't even see it. The money and the fame from streaming push you forward, right? I see. What money? What money and what fame? Do you want me to look at my the numbers right now? Because they're not going to show you either. They're numbers to make a grown man cry. That's not what I hear. The reason I started streaming my game dev was to motivate me to work on my game. Not because I was trying to make it big and rich and stuff like that. It was just very good motivation to work on my game. Choose card to unlock. I want. Oh no! Oh, guys! Oh no! It's technically in the middle, but now it feels like it's not in the middle because. Damn it. It's fine. It's fine. You're sad enough by yourself. It's fine. Aww. Where's this? We have sad trombone sound. or world's smallest violin. You can find it. I found it for you.
Oh, boo-hoo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
This is serious.
I know. This really is the world's smallest violin. See?
I miss SpongeBob. 2 person, 1 stomach. What do you enjoy? Sleeping? Hey, can't confirm. I enjoy sleeping. You are mean, I see. First time here? I'm an asshole. People don't seem to realize this. Even when I tell them. It's okay. It's okay. You know, You'll understand. Maybe one day when you're older, you'll understand the joys of SpongeBob and the hilarity of playing that. But until that day, I'll be an asshole, I guess. All right, we don't need this anymore. I can bring this back because this is all working. Okay, so what we need to do is when it's a shop, I want to populate the shop cards, yeah, but we also want to this here. Text header, I guess. So we'll do text header, set text. And I mean, we don't even need to do a switch or anything. We just basically keep a default, and if it is this, then I'll just swap it to, instead of choose card to unlock, to shop. So now, if we're here, just choose card to unlock. Right? And if we come here, it's a shop. Yay! Things are great. Oh yeah, that means we can finally, out of here, just quit out of it. I mean, theoretically, you could just choose not to get any card if you just press escape. There's no reason for you to press escape. Fair. But if for some reason you press the button at the same time, I should eventually add a confirmation. It's fine for now. Okay, so we have the cost, we have the shop, all of it is automatically getting increased in price every floor, which is good. At most, you'd ever be able to buy one card on the first floor, but you'd only have access to at most 4 cards on the first floor to choose from. One of them just won't be there. So really, you can pretty much buy back 1 guaranteed card. Is that good or bad? You should watch that with your daughter. Love that scene. It was great. SpongeBob was just great. I know very many like people who had kids that used to like watch it with their SpongeBob with their kids, because it was just SpongeBob was one of those shows where kids enjoyed it and adults enjoyed it. It didn't matter. Everyone enjoyed SpongeBob. If you never watched SpongeBob, you're missing out. Such a good show, honestly. The boulder. It's not a rock, it's a boulder. Oh, no, it's not just a boulder, it's a rock. I always get it backwards.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. A rock. A rock. It's a big, beautiful old rock. Oh, the pioneers used to ride these babies for miles, and it's in great shape.
SpongeBob!
Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay. So cost is there, selection's there. Is the next thing we need to do the curses? Oh no, actually, let's make a small level, and let's put it, put the shop in that level. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's make the shop available in game. I think. Okay. How do we want to do this? I think I can put it here, make a new copy of this. This is going to be shop room. And I want, actually, you can have an entrance there. That's fine. And what I'm gonna do is basically, do I want it to be? Yeah. I will put it there. It's not pretty, but it'll get the job done. Oh, it's because I haven't got any cards. Wait, what? Excuse me? What? Excuse me? What? Why not work? What? We're just testing this, just fine. Wait, it's just not printing anything. Oh, God. It's not my day. It's event interact. Okay. The word there is interact. Not run through. It's not run through, it's interact. I've been testing this for like multiple days now. And just now I put it in. I'm like, oh yeah, just run through it. $9.99. Oh, this. Oh, I haven't configured this. I need to configure this. Yeah, but it works. Okay. It's not my day. Can you tell it's not my day? Because it's not my day. Okay. So now, oh, before this, module database. We need to add that level in. Shop room. Just gonna call it shop. And basically, what we can do is now is from here we can now create a path. Now we can do a path basically from the main graph if we wanted to. Just out. So it doesn't matter where we do it. I'll do it here. Connections this way. Create path. The type of path is going to be shop. The shop will be it's nice green. Path name shop. Min path 1 to 1. Starts from main. Okay. So that should work now. Yes. So if we go to the hub and we play, we should be able to find the shop. Eventually. Gonna get a little bit of money. Good enough. See ya. Oh, they're also dropping the old meta progression items that we no longer need. So that's something to keep in mind. I am gonna need to remove those. There's a lot of big levels here. First of all, 120. Good. Okay, why are there so many of these big parks here? Okay, where's the was the shop on the other floor? Was the shop on the other floor? Yeah, I need to remove this thing. They should not be dropping these anymore. No, it's the, where's the shop? Have I missed the shop? Oh. No, I'm just stupid. I modified this. Yeah. I modified the first floor. I didn't modify the second or the third. I thought maybe I did, but no, I didn't. Okay, well, we'll try this again in just a second. All of them have a shop. Okay, let's just run around until we get the shop. Hopefully without massive rooms again. The shop should have no connections other than itself. So actually should be able to find on the minimap by a room that has only one entrance / exit. So far, all of these have two. Wait, all of them have two. Where's my shop? Because that's the start room. What? Where's the shop? Save. Like here it is. It's building it. Like just fine. Okay. One more try. These items are spawning, which is good. Right here. It's in the bottom here. This room right here. We found it. It's right there. Okay. Okay, let's just get some currency, unlock some cards, and then thankfully they all came for me. Okay. just gonna kill. I just realized my potion is not regenerating the amount it's supposed to on kill. Oh, great. Potion's broken. Okay, well, we have 227. Hey, Mike, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. You don't think you've ever seen that feature before? What feature? Come in here. I'm pressing interact. Guys, I'm pressing. Why do I have no collected cards? Why do I have no XP being generated? Guys, why is everything broken? What happened to all my XP? Why did nothing generate? Why didn't I get a single card from anything? If you know something, you had a wireframe looking viewport. Wireframe looking. I mean, you literally have a wireframe viewport. But I'm not sure I follow. Or are you talking about this? This is the plugin. This is the plugin that I use for my dungeon. Yeah, if you're talking about this. This isn't built in. This is a Dungeon Architect. It's a plugin. So why am I not getting any experience? I get nothing. I get nothing. I get the currency. Based on location. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Why is this not plugged in? At least, you know, it was an easy fix. I don't know why I didn't plug it in. Yeah. I don't know. But now we did. So now we should be able to... there's my stuff. There's my options. Damage boost. To get lifesteal. Okay. Get a speed boost. That'll help me try to find the store. We're on the lookout for the store. It should be a room that has only one entrance.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Pause for ads for a moment. Where are you? Where are you, shop? Oh, is that it right there? Or was that the starting room? I think that's it. Yes. No. Oh, I didn't tell it they can't rotate. So yes, but I forgot to change something. Oh, look at that. And now, this is not showing the correct values. That's fine, but we found the shop. Why is this here twice? Do I have Airblade somehow in my deck twice? I really hope I have Airblade somehow in my deck twice. And that's why this is like that. Oh. Okay. You know, I'm sure there's a perfectly reasonable explanation for this. Perfectly reasonable. Okay. So now I should be able to get Airblade. I don't like the fact that it got smaller. I don't like the fact that it got smaller again. So yeah, I am unlocking the cards. So that is working. Okay. I only have one white Airblade in here. I did not have two white Airblades. Why did I get the same thing twice? What? But I have a lot of errors. Why do I have errors? Access done trying to read property game mode. That was from the deck. Not the collection. We don't need that anymore. Close some stuff. Okay. That is from the go to the deck. Oh, I have that here. It happens after I set the game mode. What's the problem? Oh, no. What's the problem here? Or is the problem here and it's just it? No, I have game mode reference here as well. I create this first, then generate. What's the problem? Oh, I think I know where it is. I think I might know where it is. It's probably on this. When we have the top one pop up. There it is. Okay. And then owner is because we're in the deck card, so we can get the picture. There we go. There we go. So I can do this. No errors. Okay. Excellent. So now let's get the score actually working. Right. All of these values are not correct. So let's make them correct. Let's go to instead of you for the collection. And I don't need this. I need you. I need you. Okay. So let's go to card unlock. Let's do it after all of this. Get game mode reference. And we're good. Wrong one. Ta-da! Now it correctly says 3 and 0. Okay. Now, let's go back and do the test in dungeon again. And I hope that we don't get two identical cards. Only one air blade here that is white. The other one's green. Okay? Just noting that. Before I go to the other floor, I'm going to check around here for the shop. Ah, found the shop. Okay, the shop is right there. Okay. Green airblade and a lifesteal. Actually, green airblade and lifesteal will go into the shop. And a white airblade and damage. So both air blades should be in the shop. I have 40. There's a problem. How is this happening? How are we duplicating things? I also need to fix the scaling. Okay, the scale box. Okay, the problem here is if this becomes collapsed, then we have problems. So what I need to do is actually just make it hidden. So instead of making them collapse, we're going to make them hidden by default. And then when you select them, and we just store selected card, and then we add to those to this card of cards. Here we do remove from parent. We don't want to remove from parent. We want to set visibility to just be hidden. It probably is better. So if we go to our little test level, oh no, we need currency, so let's go test here. Okay, lifesteal airblade. Airblade. Okay. I somehow got myself stuck inside of the building. So that's a new bug. Okay. Okay. I was not expecting that one. White airblade and a green airblade now. So it's not here. Oh, two items next to each other because of how that spawns. Right there, that's the shop right there. Found the shop. What do you have? 40. A little more. Sure, I need more, but okay. Yeah, we have. Well, no, we actually dropped 2 of these, but if I do 33, okay, so that is now working correctly. I can't. I'm not updating my value of how many I have when I grab this. Okay, one thing is that small, little by little, we'll get there. Okay. If it's the shop, we need to remove from discarded cards. And obviously, we also at this point need to update all our values. Get the player reference. Oh, this, yeah. The player reference. Then we need to, get, character stats. And then we need to, Modify units of blood. I thought I was already doing this. I'm really not doing this. Not here. It's not. I'm checking that it's, you know, it is what it is. No, right here. I have a modifying. So what's the problem? I'm subtracting, I'm modifying it. And the next time it goes ahead and checks my current units of blood. Which should have been modified. Let's see if we can find out what's going on with the print string. Okay, let's go find shop. Shop. Where are you? They're around here somewhere. There's so many of these large ones. Okay, well, this is just a big circle. Here, possibly. Get more sparks. Where is it? Where's the shop? Oh, right here, right next to me, right next to me. Okay. Okay. If I get one, it prints 49. 48. Oh! I understand. Thank you, print string. You're the best. I'm removing the card modifier. I'm not removing the combined math that it should be checking. And it's only checking the card modifier now, too. Where did I use the full math? It was to populate the card. It was here. I need all of this. I need all of this math. So I need all of this multiplied by you. You go here. You go here. There we go. Okay. Okay, now it makes sense. We were basically just doing the modifier, which was 1.0. So it was removing one, so of course I could pick up all of them. Okay, cool. Also, because I'm gonna keep forgetting if I don't do this now, let's fix the The fact that this last one can rotate, we don't want it to rotate. There we go. Because we already designed all of these levels specifically from that specific angle, so we're good. So when we do a modify, we also want to get it. So inside of shop, by shop I mean here. Once we've modified it, we basically need to populate it again with the information it needs to be. So this right here, to get the value, I'm going to just collapse it to a function. Update current blood amount. Okay. So now we should be okay with this. Let's find out. Okay. For chance. Speed boost is gonna help me. Okay, let's go. Let's go find the shop. Oh, found the shop. It's right here. Yay! It was very nearby. Okay. So now we have 40. These cost 33. If I grabbed an air blade, I have 7. I can no longer get another one. Now I've updated. Why did this repopulate? Okay. Okay. It repopulated. Why? He got the shop cards. Because on the shop cards, I never removed it. I never remove it from the shop cards. I remove it from the discarded cards. But I do remove it from the discard. Okay. What I can do is check if the discarded cards have this card, and if they do, then we're good. But if we don't, then we turn it invisible. Get discarded cards. Contains item. If it's true, then we continue on. If it's false, set visibility. Continue. goes here. Through that. Just this up a little bit. This is what contains you. And the last one. You here. Okay. So now when it populates the shop, it will also make sure this is fine. Because before we were destroying it, now we're not destroying it anymore. That's why it's not, it's the way it is. I mean, the alternative to this is to destroy the card and just instead of making it invisible. But then the things move, and that's a pain in the ass. I could set up a fixed size for them. That would be better, wouldn't it? It would be better. It would be better. So basically, when we do this, go back to remove from parent. The difference is here. I'm gonna wrap this with a size box. Can make it bigger. So now, if I was to delete one of these cards, it doesn't move. That's better. Yeah, less calculations needed. We're just removing one of these. We're just basically deleting it, and then we don't need to worry about it not populating because it doesn't exist. I believe. But find out. We're gonna test it, of course. But that should take care of all the problems. Okay. Now to find the shop.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Seems like it's here. I'll pause once I find the shop. I think we found it. I think it's right there. Yep. That froze there for a second. Okay. We're good. We're good. We found the shop. No more truth about to happen. No more truth. Will it be fine? Hopefully, yes. I will still need to look into how the hell I'm getting doubles of cards. That's worrying. I don't understand because I'm populating from one to the other. I'm basically copying an array from one to the other, so I don't see how it's getting confused. But somehow it's getting confused. I'm glad I'm doing this today and not tomorrow. I'll be honest. Because this will allow me to at least have the shop implemented. If I did it tomorrow and I ran out of time, pain. So I'm glad I'm doing it now. Getting all the bugs out, figuring all these problems out. I might remove the whole semi-transparent and just make it like a solid background, honestly. I don't think I gain anything from it seeing my game right now. Okay, so I have 40. I will take damage boost. I have 7. These have not moved. These are great. And I'm good here, and I come here, and there's my damage boost. Works. And if I come back, I only have these 2. The first one's literally gone. Oh, that's exactly what I want. Yay! Okay. Okay. So we now have proper dynamic pricing per floor. What this does do, and I guess it's fine, is on the first floor, you can have 4 power-ups right away for the first floor before you fight the boss. And you could you have a 25% chance of not getting it, but you could almost guarantee a 2-card combo. Right? Because, and this is not bad, but it's not, I mean, like, I'll say, like, oh crap, we gotta fix this. No. It's not bad. Because now, you have 3 card choices you get on the first floor, right? That means because there's 3 of them, you have 2 per that are discarded, so you have 6 cards discarded. Oh no, it's 6 cards discarded, not I was thinking 4 for some reason. You have 6 cards discarded, so you have a 50% chance of seeing the card that you discarded, unless you can increase the chances of your card being in the shop if it was in the if you got your 2-card combo in the first options, like this was the card you selected, but this is the one that you wanted, but you had to reject it. If you go to the shop at this point, you're guaranteed to have the second card. You just need to lock the shop in, basically. Or, right, if you wait for the second one, you have a 25% chance of missing out on the card you want, and then a 50% chance. Obviously, then in the future floors, it becomes more and more and more lower and lower chance, of course, of that card being there, but like a specific card being there. But this is good. This is good. I like that. Okay. So I don't know why I always delete like every single like write-up. Okay, so let's change the background here. I'm gonna remove the whole transparent background. I'm just gonna make it just a background. Just full solid. No transparency. I do prefer that. What if I'm gonna do move this down? I'm gonna say bottom text, not a variable. I'm just going to instead of saying choose to unlock here, I'm just gonna say game paused. There we go. So it just has something on the bottom. Just say game paused. Okay. So everything is now... I'm trying to think. Is there something that we're still missing for the shop besides, obviously, the curses? Because that whole mechanic we have not implemented. Right, this is all working lovely. I cannot grab these. Game pause. Yep. Okay, there's one thing that I want to do, and that is when you're in this screen here, I can press escape and get out of it. I want a confirmation, basically, to get out of it. Or I want to make it so you can't press escape on that screen. Can't exit out of that screen. So, okay, we can get around that. We can basically stop you exiting when you're not in the shop, effectively. So if I go on key down here, right, it works on for escape here, but we just want to check if it's a shop. And in. And I can do a simple OR key here, or like select controller, special left. You do an or Boolean. So that way you don't accidentally press like escape or the menu button basically right at the same moment as it pops up, effectively closing it instead of pausing the game, which is really what you want to do. So now if I press tab, if I get to the screen and I press escape, why is this still? I should go handled. Why? Wait. Now it's false. Because it was here. Ah, okay. Because I had the card selected. Okay. So we have to do that in the card. It's here. This stuff. So we need to know, is the owner where do I say, or do I have this stored? It's not in the game mode. This is an object reference. So I can go get game mode reference, get player reference, get character stats, get. Do I not have it? Here. I don't think I'm using this anymore. I'm doing it on Modify XP. Doing it here. I'm doing game card. Here. Game card ability choice HUD. That's the. I'm going to rename it to keep it consistent. Get CWB card unlock. Okay, so if the owner is this. Wait. Yeah. Hold on a second. I'm not passing that. But it doesn't know. No, it needs to know this one. That's card unlock, right? If it's. Hold on. I'm confusing myself. This is not going to be the owner. The owner will be... Oh, no, the owner will be itself. Yeah, the owner is itself. Yes. If it's if this is the owner, and boolean, and this has get shop is equal to true or not true. It's not a shop. If that's the case, for both of these to be true, then we don't do anything, just say okay. That required a lot of brain power. Let's see my brain power at this point has worked. Can I press escape? I can. Actually trying to read party CWB card unlock. Oh, what? Oh, it's because in this scenario, I did it from my debug menu. Let's do it or boolean. Theref, I need to. That means I need storage for a variable. This is fine for testing. Why can't I? Why can't I promote this to a variable? Or to a variable. Really weird. Debug card unlock. Okay. So here we can get card unlock, and then we can do the same thing here. Check this owner. If it's this, the shop is not, or for debugging player spawned card screen. Okay. Escape? I can't escape. Press here, can't escape. Press here, press it, can't escape. Yes! I can no longer escape. So if I select this and now come here, I can escape from here. But I can't escape from here. Yay! It works. Okay. Oh shit. Right. It's because it's complaining because there's not valid. If it's not valid, I mean, I'd like to ignore it. So, can I just do where's validity get? See if this works. This here. If it's valid, it doesn't need to do this because it's valid. So it can go on. If it's not valid, convert this to validate get. And then do this. And then if this is valid, continue on. And if it's not valid, then bypass it entirely. And just go and exit out. It's fine, it's fine. Can't escape. Good. I can select. From here, I can escape. Excellent. And if I escape now, we got a single error. Where? What? CLB card unlock. If it is not valid. Oh, it's because it's still doing the OR. It's because it's still doing the OR. We don't want to do the OR. Okay, so instead, if it's valid, you do this. If it's true, such a mess. Such a mess. And then false bypasses this. And here, if this is false, it checks this. Then goes here. Otherwise, it bypasses it. This makes it a mess, but this will eventually go away. Okay. Can't escape. A rare click. Can't escape. Good. Okay. I can escape here, though. Why did the text... Why is the text doing the thing? The text is doing the thing. No errors, though. But why is the text doing the thing? Or it moves just a little bit. Why? Why is it like this? It's because it's overlapping? We fixed this before. Manual wrapping. Is the problem... I don't know what the problem is, but I don't like the problem. I don't like the problem. I saw a move. The moving text is back. I don't know if you notice it, but it's there for just a split moment. It moves. Why? Why does it move? I don't know. But it does. Let's just pretend like it's fine. We're just gonna pretend like it's fine. Just gonna pretend like it's fine. What I am gonna do though is add another debug key for myself. This is going to do get the character sets. Modify units of blood. And we're gonna add 1,000 units of blood. That way we can actually test buying the stuff. So now if I did this and then pressed U, you now have 1,000 units of blood, which is lovely. That has a comma there, all formatted beautifully. So if we want to, we can buy this and we can see that it goes down. And excellent. So we cannot access the shop anymore because we have no more cards to select at all. Okay. That's fine. Shop's closed. Okay. Did it. Pretty much have everything working for the shop. Minus the curses, which is a big part, but you know what? We got a good amount going. So I am quite glad for that. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we're gonna call it a night here. 'Cause I'm a little tired. And we're like somewhat near the end. We're one break away from being at the end, basically. Tomorrow, I'll go ahead and we'll probably start the curse stuff. Wise man, I would say. Why wise? Tomorrow we'll start the curse stuff. And then we go from there. And then... yeah, and then next month... I think the plan for next month is to, well, finish the curse stuff. Absolutely. But I think we'll finally start looking into audio. I want to, like, actually put some music in the game. And swap out the sound effects. I have also some sound effects that I want to put in. It'd be nice to play around with that, and look into like how does all of that work. Because right now, like all sounds, go off of the location of the camera, basically, not the location of the player. So, which isn't what I want. I want to go off the location of the player. So, I'll need to look into that as well. But yeah, I hope you guys had a lovely time. I hope you guys have a good night. Get some rest. And we'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific for some more. Have a good night, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.